Good evening to all. Myself N. Vivekavardhan from ninth class. I am studying in Sri Chaitanya High School, Jagityal. First of all, I thank to our English teacher, Sri Dharmarao Sir Garu, for giving this great opportunity. Now, I would like to give small demo on the tenses. So, actually, tenses is nothing but expression of an action. So, the way of expression of an action is changes into tenses. Tenses is completely depend upon time. So time is expressed as present, past and future. So tenses is classified into three kinds. They are present tense, past tense and future tense. And every tense is classified into four kinds. They are simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. Simply we can say the total number of the tenses are 12 tenses. The ability of a person is completely depend on the in these 12 tenses while he is speaking. So in the under present tense we use simple present. So where we use this tense? We use this tense in mainly in two situations. That we express in the habitual form and we express in the universal truth. So what is habitual action? So let us know. For example, I am wake up at 6 a.m. It is in the form of habitual action. And Rama goes to school. It is in the form of habitual action. So, and what is universal truth? So universal truth nothing but for example, sun rises in the east. In every part of the country or continent, every part of the earth is sun rises in the east. So it is in the form of universal truth. So the next the one more example of universal truth is the sun sets in the west. So every part of the country, or continent, the every part of the earth is sun sets in the west. So it is in the form of universal truth. So let's come to our point. Simple present. So subject is given, verb is given, and object is given. So I eat an apple. So I eat an apple. Here not saying that I have been eaten my apple or I eating my apple. So you are saying that I eat my apple. నేను యాపిల్ తింటాను. So next one is we play chess. So you are saying that we play chess, but not we have been playing chess for 2 hours or we have already played chess. So you are saying that we play chess. Simple present. So now it is present. So we play chess and you go to school. But he is not saying that going to school, not saying. So he eats my mango and she plays a chess. So come to our next point, present perfect tense. Okay, the action which are completed, we call the present perfect tense. So subject is given, auxiliary is given. Auxiliary is nothing but have, has, and PP is given. Past participle is given. So past participle is nothing but V3, and the object is also given. So here I took I, we, you, they. So I have eaten an apple. You are saying that I have eaten my apple. So you are saying already completed. So we are saying that I have eaten an apple. So and next we have played chess. They have already played chess. So here said that we have played chess already completed. So we said that we have played chess. You eaten an apple. It means you already ate the apple. So said that you have eaten an apple. So he gone to school. He already gone. The past participle of the go is gone. So he gone to school. It means he already enter, not going. Next, present continuous tense. Okay, we can express that the actions are in the continue of a tune of a speaking. we call the present continuous tense. So subject is given, be form is given. Be form is nothing but am, are, is, and verb placing is given. Verb placing is nothing but before, and object is also given. I am eating an apple. It means I am eating an apple. It is continuing the sentence. So we call the present continuous tense. I am eating an apple. Here we took you. You are playing chess. And here we are taken he is eating an apple. He is eating an apple. Saying that he is eating an apple. But he has said that he not said that he have already eaten my apple. Okay. Next come to our next one, present perfect continuous tense. So present perfect continuous tense is nothing but present perfect continuous tense. The action which is going on tune of our speaking is called the present perfect continuous tense. So subject is given, auxiliary is given, and PP past participle of the be is been. We took been, and verb placing known as V4. Object is given. This is infinitive. We call since morning for 2 hours. I have been eating an apple since morning. It is continuing. It is already completed not. I have been eating an apple. It is now running. The action is running. So we call that present perfect continuous tense. I have been eating an apple for since morning. So we can take another example. He has been playing chess for 2 hours. For 2 hours he is playing chess. No, from 2 hours he is playing chess. It means he has been playing chess for 2 hours. Next we can take another example. You have been going to school for 2 hours. It means the action is in the continue. It is not completed. So this is the present perfect tense. Today we learned about kinds of the tenses, simple present tenses, present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, present perfect tense. So thank you to all.